Okay, I'm cleaning the grout in our bathroom. I've cleaned most of it. So you see it's coming out really good. But I'm going to show you, I'm cleaning these spots. And what I sprayed on it. So there's the corners. And still I sprayed it, but I haven't cleaned it yet. But I'm using water and Clorox to clean the grouts. So I'll show you what it looks like. Let me see if I can hold my phone and hold this too. So let's see, I'm using a toothbrush, right? And then I'm just going in between the grout like that. And I'm scrubbing. Trying to do this in one hand. And I'm scrubbing. See how it's coming out? Here, let's go into this corner. My toothbrush is a little dry, but it's okay. And I'm scrubbing there. I'm gonna spray a little bit more. So you'll see how the dirt and stuck up grime just kind of wipes off. Right, that's the part that I was working with. Let me spray my toothbrush a little bit. So, here. Oh, my back is hurting. So then, just scrub that. And then, what I'm going to do after I finish scrubbing, I'll show you in a minute what it looks like. If I can concentrate. And then I'm going to wipe some Comet. I'm going to put Comet on there. I'm going to come back with my little brush. And then I'm going to put some Comet on the scrubber. And then I'm going to scrub the walls. I don't know if you can really tell how much the walls are a little bit dirty as well. But see how that looks so much better. And I'm going to get the rest of that grime out. And then I'll come back and show you what that looks like. Okay. So I put a little bit of Comet on there. And I'm just going to show you how I'm going to just go back in here and scrub that. You see how clean that's coming? And I'm gonna scrub the walls with that too. I could have put the camera on a tripod, but I didn't. So, you see how clean that's coming out now? That's my shadow, but you'll see some of it that's actual clean. I'm gonna go back in there and finish cleaning, but that's what it looks like so far. But see, I have that left to clean. Then I'll go back, get some water, and get some more of my brush and scrub in between there. See how that's coming out? Okay, I'm tired. Okay, I'm going to show you another little piece that I'm going to clean right here. Okay, I'm going to spray it. I've also sprayed a little bit, and I'm going to wipe it. I'm going to spray a little bit more. I'm going to take my brush, and I'm going to just go over it like that. See how that comes out real fast. I poured a lot of water and just a little bit of Clorox, maybe like 1/3 of a cup of water and Clorox. I'm gonna have some right here. You'll see the clean, how it gets clean. Okay, and I spray a little right there. little bit of comment on my sponge. And I'm going to go through here and I'm going to wipe that off. You see how clean that got? So you need to throw your tile out. I still have some other cleaning to do, but you see how clean that got? So that's all you need to do. And see, this is, if you do this often, you won't have this much dirt. What am I trying to say? Dirt. If you do this often, but this is our children's bathroom. And of course, they don't do it as often as they should. And that way it gets, you know, a lot dirtier than it should. And I try to just let them, you know, have responsibility and clean it themselves. And sometimes that doesn't always work out for the best. And then I'll get tired of it. And then I will have to come in here with my toothbrush and start cleaning myself. Right? Unfortunately, when I get an old toothbrush, don't throw out your old toothbrushes, and you can start cleaning, right? And it ends up looking a whole lot 100% better. I wish I would have done this video before it was done, but I still have some cleaning to do, some sprucing up, some rinsing off with water, and yeah, but that's what it looks like. So quite a bit done. Also have some protective glasses on my face so it doesn't splash. Let's see if I can take them off. I don't want to show you me, but I have these protective glasses on my face so the stuff doesn't splash. Also have gloves on my hand so I don't keep that smell on my hands all day, because I absolutely cannot stand the smell of Clorox. And I just got a big bottle like this, right? Just put some Clorox in it, some water. It doesn't have to be an expensive Clorox. I have that, great value, Walmart brand. And then I went to work. So there we have it. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this can help someone out. And yeah, so I may show you guys what it's done after I completely finished. And all of this up here was kind of grimy as well. I sprayed. Also the shower curtain was a little grimy. I sprayed and wiped. I still have a little bit to do there. So yeah, I'll finish up and I'll come back and show you. Okay, so I'm finished. Very tired. Oops. Okay, finished, very tired, but that's what it looks like. So much better than before. Okay, that's what it looks like. Way better than before.